What are link selectors? Well, link selectors represent CSS selectors that allows us to select anchor element or link in different states and apply CSS styles on it. Anchor element or link can be in 4 different states. So it can be in unvisited state, in visited state, in hover state, or inactive state. So based on this, we have 4 different types of link selectors. We have a : link selector, a : visited selector, a : hover selector, and a : active selector. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope this was helpful to you. If you like our work, please become our Patreon or simply donate over PayPal. Please remember, even a little from you means a lot for us. You can follow us on our Twitter and Instagram profiles, and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, because on our YouTube channel, knowledge is waiting for you.